our second day in Rome, second day in Italy, and Shannon and I are headed to the Colosseum. We have a 9:45 reservation and it's 8:19 and we're in the Vatican, so we need to get a move on. Oh my God, that is the grossest noise ever.
I'm emptying a juice box. Well, I can't throw it out full.
Shannon didn't like her pear juice. Anyway, we'll see you there and let's go. This thing is awesome. I love this thing. What floor would you like to go to today, madam?
The ground floor, please.
Take it to the bottom of the ground. Colosseum days in Italy. We should have woken up earlier. We'll be good.
We were really tired.
Yeah, but we have reservations. So look at these doors we walk out of. It's awesome. So Shannon and I are going to our meeting point to meet our tour guide, but it's the Colosseum right there. And behind us is like the Roman Forum, and there's all these areas right here. It's really wild, really wild. Just got to the Colosseum and it's pretty crazy. So Shannon and I were just at the Colosseum and now we are gonna go to the Roman Forum. Shannon's a little bit tired, a little jet lagged. I feel fine, but I did take my athletic greens today. Shannon, how are you feeling?
I'm good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How did you like the Colosseum?
That was really cool. It was incredible.
Yeah, it was really, really crazy actually. So now we're gonna check out Roman Forum and see more of Italy. So Shannon and I are now in the Roman Forum, and it is crazy that this is like an old civilization, and all these people walked these streets not thinking that we would just be walking them just because they walked them, and it's really, really crazy. It's insane. So Shannon and I went a little bit of a different way than everybody else just because it's so crowded here with all the people in line that we just wanted to stay away from the crowds, and now we pretty much have the Roman Forum to ourselves on a different street. So yeah, this is pretty great. Pretty great. We're in the Roman Forum still. Shannon got kind of hungry, a little hangry. Feeling a little bit better now?
I haven't eaten anything yet, so no.
Can't
Can I
decide.
try any of these before? Yeah. Can I try the tiramisu?
How is it?
I'll get one tiramisu.
Alright, Sam, first bite. Is that a wink?
Yeah, it's very good. Do you want some? So it said that if you throw a coin into the Trevi Fountain, then that means you're guaranteed to come back to Rome. So let's do it. Ready? How is it, Chan?
It's good.
Yeah?
Yeah. They have a rich dark chocolate on them.
Yeah.
The top is mascarpone with raspberry.
So Shannon and I just got gelato at, what is it? Is Camilla?
Cremelia.
Camilla?
Cremelia.
Camellia?
Cremelia.
Cremelia. That's where we got our gelato from. Absolutely delicious. I loved it. And I found the place and it said that it had high ratings, so I was like, oh, let's go, let's see it. And they said not a big tourist place.
Which is great.
Which was great. Shannon though, Shannon, what did you get?
Well, so you get two flavors. Let me get closer to you.
Yeah.
So you get two flavors. So I got chocolate, and then I got this mascarpone with like raspberry mixed in.
Yeah.
So she said, what kind of chocolate do you want? And I said, surprised me, because I only thought, I don't know, chocolate ice cream, chocolate ice cream.
Mm.
It's cocoa. It's straight cocoa powder.
It's cacao.
You see how dark this is?
It's so dark. That looks like a black hole.
It does look like a black hole.
That looks like a black hole.
So I did my best.
But I didn't know, everything was in Italian, so I didn't know what to get. So the lady who was next to me, I said, what are you getting? And I was like, let me just get that. But then the lady behind was like, I don't remember what she said she was getting. She was like, do you? And I was like, not really, because I don't speak Italian. So I think pistachio and chocolate. And she was like, I'll give you what I like. I said, okay. So she gave me this raspberry and this hazelnut. Oh, so good. So incredibly good. So now we're walking back to the Airbnb. Shannon and I also ate at a pizza place.
And it was...
And we paid We Speak English tax because they hated us.
Yeah, it was not a visitor-friendly place.
Yeah, and then pretty much we bought pizza from them, but the pizza was...
Alright, so we ordered a few appetizers, wine, pizza, and something to drink. And they gave us, instead of the appetizers we ordered, they gave us just, she called it bruschetta plain.
Yeah, which was not ours.
It was just, she screwed it up, but I think she did it on purpose.
And then she came,
was just toast with a little bit of olive oil on top.
She came back and grabbed it. We got an antipasto that she didn't bring over.
And then after we were done our main course, she goes, you want the antipasto? No, we already finished.
But the best part about the antipasto thing is that I asked her, I said, you know, where's the antipasto? Well, she spoke English before, but now she spoke pure Italian because she didn't want us to understand what she was saying. So we pretty much had pizza from Papa's in Robbinsville, which is still great pizza, but just not what I thought Rome would be. And their arancini was very good, though. I should say that.
With pepper, black pepper.
Black pepper and pecorino cheese.
Pecorino cheese.
But all in all, highlight of the night. Shannon, highlight of the night?
That
gelato. The gelato was absolutely delightful.
Nice and sweet.
She was very, very nice, and she helped us out. So get gelato at
Gramelia.
Gramelia.